Today, in Nityananda TV News, Paramahamsa Nityananda offers condolence for Rishi Prabhakar. Paramahamsa Nityananda thanks the High Court for granting justice to Nityananda Gurukul. Mahashivaratri 2014, February 27th. More Kalpataru programs. USA Kumbh Mela 2014. March in Hardwar. Nityanandam, and welcome to Nityananda TV News 2014. Now for today's top stories.
I also want to express my deep condolences. I am really shaken and saddened by Rishi Prabhakar's demise. Guruji Rishi Prabhakar has left the body just today morning. One of the great being, enlightened being, worked so much for reviving the Sanatana Hindu Dharma. He is guru of so many gurus who don't even acknowledge him as their guru. Just now I received the message, me and Dhyanapeetham express our deep condolences to all his devotees, disciples, family and his Sangha missing him. I know for sure he will be already resting in peace. I know for sure he will be already relaxing in peace. And I also wanted to acknowledge for many great things I learned from him, and the amount of love and compassion, care he showered on me and our Sangha. He is the only master personally came to jail to meet me and spend time. No one else had that courage to come to the prison when I was illegally imprisoned. He was standing by us with our Sangha. I also have one more good news for all of you. Honorable High Court of Karnataka has stayed the order passed by one local officer to dismantle our Gurukul and shift all the kids to the nearby schools. The order has been stayed by Honorable High Court of Karnataka. So, I wanted to tell all the parents of the Gurukul kids and the Gurukul kids, we will continue to run the Gurukul. Thank you. And I'll move to today's satsang subject. Before moving to the satsang subject, maybe I can give one or two references just for the sake of the Gurukul teachers, students and the parents of Gurukul kids. We have a very clear legal protection given by the Constitution, Indian Constitution, and even the circular, Government of India, Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of School Education and Literacy the circular dated, the circular F number 115 by 2010 EE4 very clearly says in the third point, institutions including madrasa and Vedic Padashalas, especially serving religious and linguistic minorities, are protected under Article 29 and 30 of the Constitution. The RTE, Right to Education Act, does not come in the way of continuance of such institutions or the rights of children in such institutions. So, I am a religious organization. Nityananda Dhyanapitham is a religious organization, and Nityananda Gurukul is directly serving religious organization, and I am also a linguistic minority in Karnataka. It was signed by one Mr. Vikram Sahai, director, with a telefax number 23381470. So these are the details of the circular. Thanks to all the Swamis, great Swamis who stood by us very strongly and supported us, like Shantavira Mahaswamiji of Kodadamat Mahasamsthana and other gurus, who are strongly protecting our Gurukul and giving us all the legal advice necessary. And we also thank the Honorable High Court for protecting us, and we trust Indian judiciary and God. Nityanandeshwara Devasthanam is religious institution. Nityananda Gurukul is directly associated with a religious institution, serving the religious institution. It is Vedic Padashala, it is Vedic Gurukul. So we will continue to exist. There is a clear Supreme Court judgment also. Maybe I will give the judgment number. The whole judgment is available with me here. Maybe later on we will provide this. Writ petition C number 95 of 2010. In that judgment, Supreme Court has very clearly spelled it out.
Mahashivaratri. The night of the celebration of Lord Shiva, with living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. Rudrabhishekam for Nityanandeshwara Linga. Special Custom Radhotsavam Kalpataru Darshan Shiva Kundalini Dhyan. Cultural programs.
We welcome you to participate in this Mahashivaratri celebrations and receive the grace of Shiva and the blessings of Paramahamsa Nityananda.
For more details, Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru, 08027279999, www.nityananda.org.
Kalpataru, 'Kalpataru' celebration by living incarnation Paramahamsa Nityananda. 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 'Kalpataru' celebration by living incarnation Paramahamsa N
Kalpataru program is just fulfilling your desires.
Nobody should miss Kalpataru. It's an amazing program.
Deserve for what you desire. You are showered. If you just deserve, you will see the cosmos showers on you.
I had a spondylitis problem from last 8 to 9 years, and doctors had actually given up hope, and they said nothing could be done.
First attended the Kalpataru program for getting boon for our child. I cannot even forget the first time experience which I had when I met Swamiji. After a year, we had a child, very much healthy and cute.
With his powerful space, the space you create will become reality.
2 years, 3 years now, I never had the spondylitis problem ever again.
Have darshan of an incarnation. Your authentic desires will be realized. Kalpataru celebration every day at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Darshan available on video conferencing.
Venue Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Contact programs at nityananda.org, www.kalpataru.nityananda.org, 08027279999.
नित्यपुरीश्वरा जय गंगाधरा हर 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 गंगे 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 हे
That's all for Nityananda TV News for now. Thank you for joining us, and let us end our news with a bliss dose from the Avatar. The only thing that needs to be practiced is completion, getting back to your natural state. We'll see you next time on Nityananda TV News. Nityanandam.